Hi, tiger. Hi, tiger.
Hi, tiger.
Hello,
I'm
tiger.
gonna fight the tiger.
Oh.
I bet.
Hi, tiger. You're so big, tiger. Nice. Just walking around the corner. Hello.
Tiger, this is cool.
Look, they're playing and he's jumping.
in here.
I didn't know they're
We're like in
friends.
a...
Oh, look, 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 look. Look, look, he's running and running. Look at him, he's so running crazy. Oh my gosh, he's going crazy.
There's a hippo there.
It's a hippo?
Yeah.
That is so awesome. Hi, hippo. What you doing, hippo? Hi, hippo.
That is what?
Whoa. That is so cool.
Look at the red. Look at.
Oh, you can sit down here and chill like
Okay.
you're drinking. This might be a nice birthday. Ooh, nice. Ah, what you doing? Ooh, look, look, look. He's dancing now. Look, he's dancing. Did you see him dancing? What are you doing, hippo?
The giraffe is over there.
Whoa. That is so cool. Hi. Hi, zebra. Hi, zebra. We'll see you later, zebra. And hippo. Bye-bye. Kaya, say bye to zebra. Come on, Kaya, let's go to giraffe. Oh, what's
Ako na.
happening?
Napupunta ka sa ibang ano eh.
Wow, there might be some giraffe here somewhere. This is adventure.
Up here.
Awesome.
Ayun, no, umaraw ulit.
Oh, hi zebra. We're back here.
Over there.
Hi zebra.
This will burn the food that we ate in the buffet.
What
Smells like
is he
pig.
doing there?
Smells like a pig.
I think he's like sa
Amoy Bulacan.
playing.
Pangasinan.
Bulacan.
Imus, Bulacan. Wait. Dito.
Wow.
Right there!
Yeah, let's go over there. We can see it from outside. Come on.
This is her spot.
Oh my goodness.
This is her spot. Wow.
Whoa!
You're eating? Oh, there's two of them.
I gotta get in the pie.
Wow. Oh, he's gonna go near you, Kayo. Kayo, he's gonna go near you.
I want that kid. I want Kale. I want Jairo.
Oh, there's two of them. Hi, giraffe. What you doing? Oh, she's going here now. Oh my gosh, she's going near me.
Oh my gosh, you got
Oh my gosh, she's gonna go near me now.
Ow, 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 what was that?
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, there's another one, a baby in the cage. There's a baby.
Mommy.
Whoa, there's a baby. Rilo, there's a baby giraffe. Didn't you see it? There, it's in the cage. It's a baby.
Is that a baby giraffe?
Ah. Oh, he's going there. Hi. Oh, he's gonna go here. Cleo. Rilo, look. See? Oh, he's walking so slow. He's gonna go near you. Oh, Cleo, he's gonna go near you. Hi. How are you doing? Hi. Rilo, Cleo, talk to him. He's waiting for you. Hi.
Lang kami.
Mom.
Candid?
Yeah, candid or no?
Yay. Whoa, he's saying something. How are you doing? Oh, look.
Friendly.
Aw.
I've never been so up close to it. This is like the closest.
Yeah, I saw one when I was a kid. But in the Philippines, in Manila Zoo. I have a picture, and then I was giving some grass. I'm feeding grass in the cage. Hey, here, me. There's a picture.
Dory.
Hey, do.
Picture.
He's rubbing her eyes. Mom.
Yay. Oh, look, it's rubbing her eyes. Look in the wood. I think her eyes is itchy because it's rubbing her eyes.
I want to see the telescope.
I think her eyes is itchy because he's rubbing it. He's rubbing it. Wow. Ay, bless you. Giraffe exhibit.
Rilo.
Damn.
Hey, go this way.
Whoa, he's on the other side. Whoa. Whoa. Estelle. Lion King. Lion King.
Picture with it.
Oh my God. Oh. Oh my God. Wait. Estelle. You missed it, Estelle. Oh, what's happening?
Let's go see it.
I think he's coughing. Is he coughing?
It's sick.
Oh no.
Oh, she's ready to go home and sleep.
I think he's coughing.
What's going on? What is she doing?
Whoa. Oh. If you tap the glass, what will happen?
Is it a girl or not?
I think she's a girl.
Nothing happened if you...
I think she's a girl
Yeah.
because she's got a belly button.
No, a boy would have the.
Yeah, the Lion King. Yeah.
Mufasa. No, this is Mufasa. Zimba.
The boy. Yeah, Simba is like that. The friend.
Oh, Estelle.
Yeah.
Where are you going now, Mufasa?
Alright, let's go.
Wait,
Hi, kangaroo.
We passed.
What is it?
Hi, kangaroo.
Emu.
You're so tiny.
Male emu.
Like Estelle.
Wait,
Right
Mama,
on.
I
I
think
feel like
we
it can
passed.
jump over the fence.
Oh yeah, that's all right. Hi, kangaroo.
How did he get in there?
Hi, you're so tiny.
Are you alive?
Ooh.
Bye, Cleo.
Bye. Bye. Oh, it's eating. Leo is eating. Is that your new friend? He's got a stretchy hands. Look at her hands. It's so stretchy. And her feet is so stretchy too.
Mommy got
Oh, look, he's got a stretch. Oh, look, he's eating. I think, oh, bless you. Okay, oh. Oh, look, he's eating. Is that broccoli? He's eating. Estelle, did you see that monkey? Yay! Kasi gusto nila tropics.